Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've been watching my videos, that is. If you're new, I hope you enjoy my videos. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe and share button. Now, kind of a little bit excited here. I've been wanting one of these for quite a while. As you know, I do a lot of 80 series Land Cruiser fix on the channel. I own an 80 series Land Cruiser and I've wanted a little toy RC 80 series Land Cruiser for quite a while now. I've been looking at them. So what I did is, you probably saw if you've seen my other video about my steel chainsaw review, the electric chainsaw review, I've been cutting those cookies and I've been selling them for weddings. And I've used the money from that to buy this. This turned up today on my doorstep. Now I've already opened this outer box here. Came packed like that. Now, a lot of spare space in there, bit of weight. Don't know why they couldn't just ship this box. But anyway, I've got the packing information in there. So I'm actually hoping that this is my little 1/18 scale radio control Toyota Land Cruiser 80 series. Let's get into it and have a look. Now, as always, I like to use my trusty Land Cruiser key to get me into the boxes. Now, I don't actually know what this thing looks like. I've just... Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, how do I get this out? Oh, the box looks great. Oh, look at that. A little instruction manual. Oh, the bonnet even opens. Oh, I did not know that when I ordered it. So, there you go. Wow. Injection molded hard body, functional hood, scale features. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Comes packed in a nice little foam box thing that I can take out when I go forward driving. That's the aim. I don't know how to get into this. It's got me baffled. Oh, there it is. It's a tight pop fit. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. So we've got the little controller with some dip switches on top to set it. We've got the little mini LiPo battery charger with a wheel spinner, and here it comes. Look at that. Look at that. Almost like mine. We've got the ladder up the back instead of the water bottle, and I've got a row of spotties on there. I've got 2 spotties on the front here, but oh, very similar to mine. It's got suspension. Looking at it, not sure I'm going to be driving it through a whole heap of mud, but there you go. One little 80 series Land Cruiser. Probably should read the instructions, but hey, you know, it's fun just to pull everything out. So I guess that one goes in the car. More fun just to play with it. Yeah, it takes little AAAs. I don't have any of them. Bummer, can't start it up here now for you on the video. But yeah, looks pretty cool. Not sure what it's talking about, this. Oh, that's what it's talking about. I'm going to have to read the instructions on that one. There you go. Unboxing my new little tiny 80 series Land Cruiser RC car. guys, if you like this, check out my other videos on YouTube. See you out there 4-wheel driving, guys.